Hey everyone, Linus here. Want to build a gaming PC without spending too much? Today, we're building a super cool budget PC that's way more powerful than it looks. Get ready for awesome gaming with the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 and the Radeon RX 570. We're all about getting the best performance without emptying your wallet. Let's get started. Building your own PC is super cool. You get exactly what you want, and it's often cheaper than buying a pre-built one. Plus, it's like building with Legos, but for adults. This guide will show you each part, explaining why we chose them and how they make your gaming experience fantastic. This isn't just about putting parts together, it's about understanding what makes a good gaming PC. We'll explain everything simply, so even if you're new to this, you'll be building with confidence in no time. So grab your screwdrivers, and let's build this PC. The heart of our budget beast is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600. This processor is a gaming monster. It has 6 cores, meaning it can handle many tasks at once without slowing down. With a boost clock speed of up to 4.4 GHz, you'll experience super fast performance in games. The Ryzen 5 5600 uses AMD's Zen 3 architecture. This means it's super efficient, giving you more power for your money. It's like a free upgrade. This processor is the brain of our gaming PC, responsible for all the calculations that make your games run smoothly. And the best part? It's super affordable. The Ryzen 5 5600 offers amazing value, making it perfect for gamers on a budget. You get all this power without sacrificing other parts. Every good CPU needs a strong foundation, which is where the MSI B450M PRO-VDH Max motherboard comes in. This motherboard is made for Ryzen processors and works perfectly with the Ryzen 5 5600. It's like the bedrock of our gaming PC. The MSI B450M PRO-VDH Max has all the important features without any unnecessary extras. It has plenty of slots for our RAM and graphics card, and even supports super fast NVMe SSDs, which we'll talk about later. Speaking of RAM, we're going with 8 GB of Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM. Now you might be thinking, why not 16 GB? Well, 8 GB is more than enough for most modern games at 1080p resolution. Plus, it saves money for other important parts. This RAM is like the short-term memory of our gaming PC, allowing it to access frequently used data quickly. Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM is known for its reliability and performance. It's also very affordable, making it great for our budget build. Section 4. Visual prowess, graphics card, and storage. Now for the star of the show, the graphics card. We've chosen the AMD Radeon RX 570, a graphics card that delivers impressive performance for its price. This card can handle most modern games at 1080p resolution with smooth frame rates. You'll be immersed in your games like never before. The RX 570 is a great choice for gamers who want to enjoy the latest games without spending a fortune. It's like the eyes of our gaming PC, bringing the virtual worlds to life on your monitor. Next up, we need a place to store all our games and files. That's where the crucial P3 500GB NVMe SSD comes in. This SSD is lightning fast, meaning your games will load super quickly. Say goodbye to long loading screens. SSDs are like super fast storage units for PCs. They're much faster than traditional hard drives, making your entire system feel snappier. The crucial P3 500GB offers ample storage space for your operating system, games, and other files. Section 5. The supporting cast power supply and case. Every good PC needs a reliable power supply to keep everything running smoothly. We've chosen the EVGA 500W Bronze 80+ PSU for our build. It provides enough power for all our components with some room to spare for future upgrades. The EVGA 500W has a bronze efficiency rating, which means it's pretty good at converting AC power to DC power without wasting too much energy. It's like the heart of our gaming PC, pumping power to all the vital components. Finally, we need a case to house all these awesome components. The Esports Ice 200 TG mid-tower case is a stylish and affordable option that provides excellent airflow. It keeps our components cool even during intense gaming sessions. This case has a tempered glass side panel that lets you show off your build. It's like the armor of our gaming PC, protecting it from the elements while looking good doing it. Section 6. Conclusion. Your gateway to PC gaming. There you have it, folks. A complete gaming PC build for under 50,000 rupees. This build is perfect for gamers who want to experience the latest games without spending too much. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can always upgrade your components later to get even more performance. The beauty of PC building is its flexibility. As your needs grow, so can your PC. So what are you waiting for? Grab your tools, order your parts, and join the awesome world of PC gaming. Trust me, once you go PC, you'll never want to go back.